And I also thank the Department of Political Science for rejecting the Standing Committee proposal of removing my books from syllabus. I hope that the Academic Council will take a nationalist decision where multiple ideas of production and anti-production can clash, and ultimately productive ideas can win over non-production and anti-production. And I hope that this teaching community of this university, research scholars, and the media, which has taken up this cause quite big way, and I thank all of them. And before I start about the books, I have a pleasant news for you all in this anti-writing atmosphere. Just now, Sage has released my autobiography. My full name now is Kancha Ailaya Shepherd. The title of the autobiography is From a Shepherd Boy to an Intellectual, My Memories. And this is the first autobiography in English language of a Shudra in India. The whole in its history and regional languages, maybe some autobiographies. I hope you will all read it later. Friends, 4 of my books are proposed to be removed from syllabus. The first one is God as Political Philosopher. Its subtitle is Buddha's Challenge to Brahmanism. And this book is my PhD thesis. The second book is Why I Am Not a Hindu, a Shudra critique of Hindutva philosophy, culture and political economy. Please note the subtitles. It is a Shudra critique. I am a shepherd. I am part of the Shudra society, from your Jats to Gujar to Patel to Kamma to Reddy to Dhobis in this country. The third book is Buffalo Nationalism, a critique of spiritual fascism. Now, this is a book written in complete opposition to cow nationalism. The fourth book, which is most important of all, is Post-Hindu India. Its Hindi version is available, Hindutva Mukt Bharat. Now, they are saying these books are largely anti-national and in their own other form anti-Hindu. See, why did I do PhD on Gautam Buddha's political thought? That was done in 1991, I got the degree. See, when I was a student in MA, I was taught the political thought of Plato and Aristotle, Machiavelli, Locke, Hobbes, Rousseau. When it came to ancient India, Kautilya and Manu. I asked in the classroom, I was a rural student, first generation educated. Now, when Plato I read, immediately each day I used to go back to library and locate the book and read. Republic, Politics, I read. Some of them originals I read. And after Kautilya and Manu were taught, I read. I did not find any political thought in Kautilya and Manu. So then I asked my teacher, are we so poor in thought? Is this nation of such huge population in the world is poorer than Greek, which is a small nation, few people, small land? No, there should be a greater thinker than Plato and Aristotle in India. I said, no, nobody is there. Then I said, I casually asked a question, what about Gautam Buddha? He said, no, he is not a thinker. He is a religious preacher. He said, no, he didn't believe in God. I read something about Buddha. He built a system. Was there political thought? Then after my MPhil on land reforms, I registered for PhD on Gautam Buddha's thought. This professor who said this did not want to guide me. I asked Rama Melkote, a women teacher, I must really bow down my head before all the women of this country because women stood by my life all along. Though she was a Brahmin, but she was a progressive woman, she accepted to guide. Now, what is the content of this book? This book proves with systematic evidence of huge discourses of Gautam Buddha as against the contemporary Brahmin Pandits. What is republican system? What is human equality? What is man-woman equality and coexistence? And what is property right? What is control of property? Gautam Buddha defeats in every sphere and establishes a theory through his Sangha system that before Plato, Aristotle, even Confucius of China, here was a man, he said, democracy exists among Indian tribes and that democracy should become civil societal democracy. In Sangha system, he practiced it. Now, these people don't want to teach this. Now, if you don't want to teach this book for every child, I am telling you, my Hindutva friends, India will be reconquered by Europe and Americans. Because we have surrendered from Rigveda to whatever books you have written, they have not become texts of the world, whereas Plato, Aristotle governed the world. And we surrendered to them in terms of knowledge. So it is this book which proves, because Buddha was, by life, he lived in 6th century BC, senior to Plato, senior to Confucius, senior to Aristotle. So he was the first greatest philosopher of the world, much greater than Plato, Aristotle and Confucius. Therefore, today this book is studied in China, in other universities, and my ruling party people here, my Prime Minister, you are my Prime Minister, you are my Education Minister, Mr. Prakash Javadekar. If Buddha is not studied as greatest philosopher than Plato, Aristotle, you are surrendering this country to again Europe. You are Aristotle Manu cannot win. Aristotle Manu cannot win. So this they don't want. Then why did I write Why I Am Not a Hindu as a Shudra critic? In the modern history of India, the first person to write a Shudra critic without a modernist methodology of writing was Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. He wrote the book called Gulamgiri. And whom did he dedicate? He dedicated to the American slaves. Because the Shudra, he was a Mali, the Shudras of his time were as bad slaves to Brahminical rulers and Brahminical priests as the American slaves were. It is not just untouchable Dalits, the Shudras. And he was the one who coined Shudras and Atishudras as two combined groups. Unfortunately, BJP, RSS do not produce intellectuals. They don't read books in the libraries. They oppose reading in the libraries. They oppose writing. See, I was a left student from 76 onwards. I was educated in Telugu medium. I learnt this English under the tree. And when English was not coming to me, because it was threatening as if it is a colonial language, I did not go to a Christian school or a Christian college like Saint Stephen, where Arun Jaitley, Arun Shourie studied. I went to my goddess Pochamma in the village, who understands all languages unlike their gods. So I asked my goddess Pochamma, oh Pochamma, I went and spoke to her in conductor English. Pochamma, English is not coming to me. Can you teach me? She said, give me a good goat and a full pot of kallu. You will get all the English, she said. I learnt English like that and started writing. Why did I write Why I Am Not a Hindu? What is its content? Did you ever see that book? Read that book? I wrote this book after Babri Masjid was demolished during that phase, that they were saying Hindu majority, Muslim minority ko allow nahi karenge. And that was the essence of this book. Golwalkar, this is Golwalkar's book. We are our nationhood defined. मैं इसको पढ़ा जब, and they are saying we are majority. I said, if Kancha Ilaiah, now my name is Kancha Ilaiah Shepherd. Why I added in English? They are saying he has become a Christian. Are you don't even understand basic English, simple language. Shepherd is not Christian. Shepherd is one who looks after sheep. My parents were shepherds. My grandparents were shepherds. My great-great-great-grandparent was Harappa, who built the first city. He was also shepherd. And my now present god in south of shepherds is Birappa. Harappa and Birappa. We have no Sharma Shastri in between. We have no. So my name is Ailaya Kancha Ailaya Shepherd. Why did I add in English? Because you are saying, you stupid fellows, you can't learn Sanskrit. You are not eligible to learn Sanskrit. And you are not supposed to. If they were to allow me to become a priest in Tirupati temple, I would not have written this book. But when I said that I want to become a priest in Tirupati temple because every day 5 crore income is there at that temple. So they said, do you know Sanskrit? I said, does God understand only Sanskrit? No, my gods in the villages understand all languages. Then why not your gods who are saying national gods understand only one language? That too now people don't understand. So I wrote this book going back to the village, my childhood, everybody, all Shudra caste childhood, what we were learning in the childhood, what a Brahmin child was learning, what a Baniya child was learning. From childhood, marriage, social relations, market, and final chapter is called Dalitization, not Hinduization. So उसमें मैं ये प्रूव किया that अगर a Brahmin and me are Hindus, we have nothing in common. How can we be part of one religion when we have nothing in common. For example, your food is total vegetarian. My food is total meatarian. I don't use the word non-vegetarian because I don't have to approach through like this. So I discovered, I constructed many concepts. अब हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, शाकाहार मांसाहार, वो ब्रिटिश लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया, ये एक ही देश में कुछ बिल्कुल शाकाहार है, उसको क्या कहना, वो सेड नॉन वेजिटेरियन, वो गलत लैंग्वेज है, मीटेरियन, बीफेरियन, फिशेरियन, दिस इज द लैंग्वेज. सो विदाउट मीट नो फेस्टिवल टू मी, विदाउट ड्रिंक नो फेस्टिवल. कल्लू फुल पीना है, मैं इतना पिया चाइल्डहुड में. देन शादी, विदाउट मटन नो शादी. कोई बच्ची को देगा नहीं, बच्चा लेगा नहीं. और यू आर टोटल वेजिटेरियन and you have a thread across body. And then I read, I am not supposed to. You come and give me, if I am a Hindu, in a religion, common symbol should be all those who belong to that religion. Now, in one of my articles I said, if all Shudras, were Patel, Jats, Gujar, up to Dhobi or whatever Shudras, leave alone untouchables, you said, God has not created them at all. Now, if you are not giving me the right to wear the symbol of what you have, and if you have not given me the right to become the priest, that means you have not, I have no right of spiritual citizenship. You see my point? I have a political citizenship today. I can contest for Narendra Modi for Prime Ministership, which I don't want. That's a different question. But I can contest. Can I become a priest in Tirupati temple or Vaishnava Devi temple? I am a Shudra. You are calling all of us are Hindus, all of us are Ganga Sindhu Bindus, all of us are Ganga water. But I don't have a right to. So my question is, I don't think by being in a religion, without having the right to citizenship, whether my people have gone to heaven or your people have gone to heaven. I don't know. Without that right to get into bus, how do they go? But I am sure, because my people of all Shudras were producers of the food, I thought God loves those who produce food, not those who eat all the food without producing. Therefore, my people should have been all of them in Swarga. And where your people are there, I don't have to search for them. I don't need. So the question is, why I am not a Hindu ends with a chapter. In 2012, when Columbia University introduced this book for introductory South Asian students, the same people went there, objected. And the same logic. Why you are not introducing Waraks? Why I am not a Christian? Button Russells? Why I am not a Button Russells? Why I am not a Christian? Waraks? Why I am not a Muslim? Why only Kancha Ilayas? That professor who wrote one sentence. See, this book is a full book of culture of India. Button Russells is not a full book like that. It's a one article. And Warak's book is just about Quran and that religion. So therefore, who are you to tell us not to introduce what not to introduce? Why are you? They thought Columbia University, which produced America, Ambedkar, is also like Delhi University. They can come and dominate. They said, get lost. We introduce what we want to teach. So, now the question in that book is, the whole philosophy I reduced into common Shudra Dalit productive symbols. There is a sentence in that book at the end, you please read it. Without mud, there is no food. Without mud, there is no food. Then I said, without menstrual blood, there is no procreation. This menstrual blood should not go to Ayyappa now. But without menstrual blood, how are these men who are going there born? If menstruation is stopped at the beginning only, these men who go to Ayyappa don't exist, Ayyappa doesn't exist. Without mud, there is no food. That is the major philosophy I drew from the productive mass. You put your hands into mud and plant the trees and produce the crop. And to be scientific, wash your hands but not do away with mud. That is science. That is where I said sannyasi is not great. In the village, they say those who are not working, those who are not cutting their hair, those who are not bathing are known as sannyasis. अरे ये वो बिल्कुल सन्यासी है. बहुत अच्छा कौन है जो काम करता है, जो फैमिली को बताता है, इकोनॉमी क्रिएट करता है, वो संसारी है. Samsari versus sannyasi. Now today, one of the weak points of BJP is, it is a government of semi-sannyasis and sannyasis. The economy is failing because sannyasis cannot run economy. It's very simple. Even in Catholic world, sannyasis could not run political systems. So RSS is semi-sannyasi organization and vegetarian organization. It cannot run democracy. With vegetarian organizational structure, you can't win war, leave alone with China, with Pakistan also. You can't win war. क्या बीरकाय बेंडकाय दाल खा के गए तो वो नहीं होता. वो पाकिस्तान वाला अच्छा खा के आएगा. क्या खा के आएगा? बड़ा बड़ा खा के आएगा. So my nationalism, China. The second great thing they are saying for universities, schools, colleges should be yoga. Are? Right now in villages, farmers, running is the yardstick for strength. High jump is the yardstick for strength. Climbing the tree is the yardstick for strength. Now for army, yardstick is long jump, high jump and running, how many? So now they are going to make 10 hours if one sits as Amit Shah yoga. 10 hours, do you take them into army? Longer the sitting, stronger the army selection. If जाके चाइना बॉर्डर पे वो कोल्ड सीजन पे वेजिटेरियन खा के योगा पे बैठो, वो चाइना वाला आके क्या करेगा? वो बीफ खा रहे हैं, पोर्क खा रहे हैं, फ्रॉग खा रहे हैं, whichever is not poison they are eating, and they will come with karate. So ये योगा क्या होगा? My Ramdev, who is a Shudra Yadav, who joined that camp, so stomach को ऊपर नीचे लगा मारते रहते हैं. जाके जरा चाइना बॉर्डर पे स्टमक को मारो, देखेंगे वो क्या करेगा. नहीं, see, I don't want to lose. I am telling my BJP, ABVP, RSS people, BJP people are here. This nation belongs to Adivasi, Dalit, Shudras more than anybody. We will not leave a single inch to Pakistan and China. Because our people made this land. Our people made what the country is, food is, production is. क्या ब्राह्मण बनिया लोग कभी हल चलाए क्या ये देश में? एक साल चला के देखो. अब ये universities are not meritorious because Shudras and Dalits Adivasis are not full of university campuses. So I wrote that book. Then the next campaign came, cow as mother of the nation. See, why I am not a Hindu पे debate हो रहा था, hundreds of reviews आ रहे. You open up the book, and those professors, I requested them on the TV channel also. If they have written books, they will understand what is the methodology. And the question of writing citations, I will come to that. When you are saying cow is the mother of nation and go mata, मुझे simple doubt आया, ये बिल्कुल agrarian shepherd knowledge का doubt है, और गो माता माता होता है, नॉर्थ इंडिया में आए तो ये काउ बेल्ट होता है, then is south a buffalo belt? और why buffalo माता नहीं होता? Then on one of the TV channels, I was already on the TV channels, I was writing in every English paper. Whenever there were women editors, they were calling me, whether they were Brahmins or anybody, because women are Shudras historically. Fundamentally, they were asking me to write Hindu. So I asked, why is cow mata? One of the BJP spokesperson, Mahapatra or somebody. Yeah, Sambit Patra. No, cow gives milk and cow milk is like mother milk. I said, what is the percentage of cow milk today in India? Please, you have phone now, smartphone, see percentage. Cow milk is just 15% in India. And go to buffalo milk, 72%. Now, पूरा बच्चे कौन सी माता का दूध पी रहे? पूरा बड़े कौन सी माता का दूध पी रहे? And Justice Verma, who was appointed to take the opinion of the nation whether caste should go to Durban on par with race, I went to depose before him and I asked him one question. Justice Verma, caste is not race, you are saying. Therefore, it cannot be taken to Durban. Race is put on Durban because of the, even America accepted, all countries, Europe accepted, but caste is not race. I said, Justice Verma, you were Chief Justice once. Suppose one fine morning, a buffalo walks into your Chief Justice chamber and asks that in the Indian Constitution, directive principles where cow protection is there, please include me also in that. Buffalo said. What would you say? You would dismiss all ward watch people saying that who bloody allowed this black buffalo into my chamber. So, buffalo gives white milk, therefore it is drinkable. Its body is black, therefore it is not sacred. Look at the same mind, whether it is Hindu or non-Hindu. If black is non-sacred, omen, when your hair on it is getting white, why do you paint it black? It's a very simple logic. ये लॉजिक कितना ब्राह्मण प्रोफेसर पूरा वेद पढ़े तो नहीं आता. ये लॉजिक एक शेपर्ड कर सकते. ये लॉजिक शीप से जाना, गोट से जाना, बफेलो से जाना, वहीं से लॉजिक आता. उसीलिए हम अच्छा किताब नहीं लिखे. यूरोप नहीं पढ़ रहे हमारा किताब. देखो, इवन अमर्त्य सेन बुक इज नॉट रेड इन एनी यूनिवर्सिटी इन ए बिग वे. वी आर बोस्टिंग. We have not registered as intellectuals from this country. And if you take the statistics, why I am not a Hindu is more read in the West than Amartya Sen's all books. That is the fear. And it is read in the villages. Now, in post-Hindu India, this is my research work of 10 years in the villages. Now, they are saying there are no citations. वो लोग गोलवालकर का अपना किताब नहीं पढ़ते. वो लोग अपना इंटेलेक्चुअल का ये पूरा कोटेशंस पिकअप करे, but they have not given references at all. They picked up quotations. Golwalkar did that. See, he has not given any citation. The point is this. When I wrote an article to Subaltern Studies, you all know historians. Delhi University का subaltern historian वो Shahid Amin और कोई, he edited 9th volume. I sent an article without footnote, and Subaltern Studies historians 3/4 footnote, 1/4 body. वो रिजेक्ट करना शुरू करे, मेरे पास फिर फोन करे. मैं बोला इसमें फुटनोट नहीं है, तुम फुटनोट करना. आई आस्क सिंपल क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक इट इज दीपंकर Gupta, somebody called me. I said, whom should I quote? I wrote about the great productive food cultural discoveries of Adivasis. What fruits they discovered, what roots they discovered, what meats they discovered as edible. And then I wrote about the entire industrial skill of chamars, how skin is transformed into leather, how many stages of technical work, leather into commodities, and which was the first industry in India. Was software Narayana Murthy's first industry in India? It was the leather industry, was the earliest industry in Harappa times. Leather industry was the first industry, but you did not recognize them as industrial knowledge engineers. And then what is the second engineering? In the post-Hindu India, there is a book called Unknown Engineer. There is a chapter. Who are these unknown engineers? I said, all ironsmiths, goldsmiths, pot makers are greatest engineers of India, and nothing is written about them. Now, do you know the skill of a goldsmith? He makes a thread out of a gold which can just go through your nose without even bleeding. Without even bleeding. Women do that. And goldsmiths are greatest engineers, are they not? Ironsmiths, carpenters. If carpenting was not there, how was there urban city in Indus Valley civilization? At that time carpenting came. Your entire Vedic period, there is no urban city. That was a pastoral economy. There were no cities during that, in your period. Ganga region kuch nahi tha. So, pot makers are engineers. They bring soils from different places. To discover pot making soil requires engineering skill. Who made the wheel? So, unknown engineers, barbers, I said, or social doctors. Do these people know? Even today in England, the Association of Doctors is headed by a barber. Hair cutting, shaving is not known as shaving, but it is known as hair surgery. Hair surgery. What is the status of your barbers here? What is the status of barbers in? Plastic surgeries were done by Indian barbers in 1850 to British white people when they had skin problem. There were no Brahmin doctors at that time. Because a Brahmin was not touching any other person. How can he become a doctor? It's a very simple logic. If you are not touching a person, you can't become a doctor. Barber was touching all castes, including untouchables. Therefore, unknown doctors hai, or social doctors hai. I wrote a chapter on dhobis. This is chapter called Subaltern Feminists. The entire feminist theory, my friends, including Suzy Taru, all those who 70s में build किया, यूरोप का knowledge base से, सुमन दिबुओ से वो knowledge आके इधर आया. But did you ever study, or these people ever studied a dhobi house? Dhobi women were the first women to discover soil soaps. Before the world know what is soap. Much later in France, they discovered that all urines are detergents. Human urine, animal urines. They were called Fullers. Fuller is a big name now. Lot of academicians are there with Fuller name. Do you have one professor with Dhobi? End name? Dhobi women washed clothes of the villages with soil soaps. But they were cleaning the cloths, but the germs of disease spreading were not dying. Now what did they discover later? Boiling clothes at the Dhobi Ghat. Did any RSS BJP, including your राकेश सिन्हा साहब आए हैं आजकल, वो भी academician है, I respect, but if they become for 6 months spokespersons in English channel, they will go to Rajya Sabha. वो easy है वो. Did you? I studied the Dhobi Ghats for 6 months. And Dhobi community is only community in India. They never had a family kitchen. They were collecting food from all customers. And Dhobi men were the only men in India washing clothes of women, children, shit, anything. No other man, even today, washes his own wife's clothes in this country. Show me how many men wash their own wife's clothes? नहीं, तुम्हारा कपड़े है, छे. But I want to be, बच्चों को प्रोक्रिएट करते, वाइफ का नाम एडमिशन में नहीं लिखते, जाके खुद लिख लेते वहां, उसको धोते नहीं. The Dhobi people without kitchen, I said, was the earliest socialist practice of food. By then Lenin wrote a book on how to establish kitchenless, family kitchenless socialism. I said the Dhobi community of the nation is an example of kitchenless, public kitchen food example. Now men and women doing washing work is the best feminization of man. All Delhi University professor men को अगर feminization करेंगे, वो लोग नहीं रहेंगे यहाँ. They don't want feminization. They don't want only masculization. हमारा सरदार पटेल को, who is a Shudra, who is son of a Patel tiller, उसको टाइटल दिए आयरन मैन. गांधी को क्या टाइटल दिए? महात्मा. नेहरू जी को, I respect them, Pandit. Is Pandit a good title? That is a software title. This is a hardware title. Iron Man. My whole writing is to see that Shudras will not remain Iron Men now. Shudras will become intellectuals of the nation. Sardar Patel was in jail, Nehru was in jail. Sardar Patel did not write his autobiography. Nehru wrote his autobiography. It is there everywhere in the country. Schools, colleges, everywhere. Sardar Patel ने किताब भी नहीं लिखा, though studied in England. The only man who saved us from intellectual inferiority in that atmosphere was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He saved us. Sardar Patel कुछ नहीं लिखा. He was writing letters in hand and no copy he was keeping. And he was receiving letters of Gandhi and others, reading and tearing them off. Because he must have thought a Shudra should not keep a record of literature. Now that is the halat of Shudras even in North India today. In BJP government, there is no Shudra top minister. No Shudra top minister. All those who have abused Christians, studied in St. Stephen's, they became Rajya Sabha members and became ministers. So Shudras क्या करना है आज? They were feudal lords once, but today feudalism has gone. Your capitalism has taken over by the Bania industrialists. Ambani, Adani, Vedanta, 100 top industrialists are Bania industrialists. And when I characterize them as social smuggling, they said, we will kill him. Are we smugglers? We do business. I said, no, if you don't tell the price of product, at what price you bought, at what price you are selling, what is the profit rate, the remaining is smuggling only. And now what happened? Anil Ambani and Narendra Modi went to France. From there they smuggled 30,000 crores. ये कैसा हो सकता है? So हम शूद्र है. Sardar Patel did not want reform. You are owning him. But Kancha Ilaiah, nahi to a professor, a Shudra professor, once we became educated, that too in English, we will write philosophy that matches the whole world, and you have to read us. You have to read us. This nation we will build in a manner that within 25 years we will surpass China. So post-Hindu India, वो post-Hindu India कहते हैं, वो Hinduism खत्म होगा. I am telling, if you don't give spiritual equality to Shudras, I don't have to kill Hinduism, you will kill it. If Shudras cannot become Gurus, RSS का head, सरसंचालक, अब तक एक शूद्र नहीं बनता. एक ही क्षत्रिय राजेंद्र सिंह ने बनता. अब आरएसएस का you write a book saying that this nation Hindustan should become ancient Hindu culture with Varna sustenance. It is in this book. I'll just read out. No, it is not question of we. What happens to the students? This nation, if their philosophy is implemented, will be taken over easily by Pakistanis within 20. Easily. Because the knowledge of Pakistan is growing. You know, in Islamabad University से scholars लिख रहे हैं, they match all American scholars. Turkey, you go to list of top 100 intellectuals of the world, top 9 are Muslims. The only name that figures from India is Amartya Sen, who never lived in India now. ये नहीं चलेगा. And I want to see, if I live for 10 more years, my name will be in the top 100 in the world. Why not? Why should not I have that ambition? I must build my nation that level. तो बांग्लादेश का वो ग्रामीण बैंक का इकोनॉमी जो करा, उसका नाम है 9th. Where are you? आपको हम देश को 70 years दे दिए रूल करने के लिए. अरे 55 years Brahmin prime ministers ruled, and there were only 2 Shudras, Charan Singh and Devagowda. They were all abused by media. वो शूद्रा लोग आए, इंग्लिश नहीं आते, ये सो रहे हैं, वो ये कर रहे हैं. 10 now Narendra Modi came with an OBC certificate. He is a Bania by business. Now when I wrote one article, they got upset. If he is saying Chaiwala is not a Shudra OBC, in North India Banias have taken OBC certificates. Shudras are fighting now. Sushil Kumar Modi OBC, Narendra Modi OBC, then Congress president था उन्हें 1990 में, सीताराम केसरी OBC, but Shudras नहीं है. उसमें मैं लिखा, देखिए, if OBC category has come for those who don't have the right to read for centuries. Banias have right to read from Gupta period onwards. Shudras never had, whether Patel, Jats, Gujar, anybody. When they are asking for reservation, you are not giving. Then he said, I am Chaiwala, fine. But chai is a business, not tilling the land. Small business hai, big business hai, it is not a primary production, but it is a distributive mechanism. No nation survives with distribution without production. रिजर्वेशन प्रोडक्शन लोगों को जाना, उसीलिए पटेल्स आर एलिजिबल, उसीलिए गुजर्स आर एलिजिबल, उसीलिए even Jats are eligible. So my post to Hindu India is that we will create Hindu system you created anti-intellectual, anti-creativity, anti-production, and our system will come when we come into universities, when our people become priests in the temples, they will talk to gods in English also. अरे क्या assumption लगाए? I don't bother whether it is a Christian assumption, it's a Muslim assumption. If Muslims say our Allah understands only Arabic, I said, you know, one person asked me, why don't you convert into Islam? You have written, why I am not a Hindu? We tried with Ambedkar, he did. I said, I will try, think about it. But I want to pray directly only in English. Does Allah understand it? He said, no, that practice is, then I can't do that. So I will pray to my God in English. A day should come, English is going to become Indian national language, from tribal to Delhi to Gully, and all children will speak in one language. That day we will write books. Ab kya? I was a book trust member. रोमिला ताबर का बुक प्रिंट करे तो कितना सेल हो रहा? 1000 कॉपीज. रीजनल लैंग्वेज में 500 कॉपीज भेज नहीं रहे. Unless a nation reads one language, that cannot read millions of books. So आप इंग्लिश सीख लिए. ब्राह्मण बनिया सब, their mother tongue has become already English. All airports में all mothers speak only in English to their children. एयरपोर्ट मदर टंग. ना वो एयरपोर्ट्स में हम नहीं है. देखो आप मुस्लिम क्रिश्चियन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मैं लॉन्ग टाइम भी बोला, आई एम टेलिंग एबीवीपी आरएसएस बीजेपी पीपल, मुस्लिम का इश्यू मुस्लिम्स देख लेंगे, क्रिश्चियंस का इश्यू क्रिश्चियन देख लेंगे. हम सेटल करना है शूद्रा दलित ओबीसी आदिवासी का पहले. अगर हमारा इशू सेटल होता, हम उनको मारने वाला नहीं है, वो हम बिरयानी मिलके खाएंगे. हमारा फूड कल्चर कॉमन है, हम उसका रिलीजियस का नहीं है. बट तुम बोल रहे ये नेशन को वेजिटेरियन नेशन बनाएंगे बोल के. देयर इज अ स्मॉल बुक ऑफ माइन ऑन इंटरनेट सेल कॉल्ड एंटी नेशनल वेजिटेरियनिज्म. If all nation goes vegetarian, imagine 60% of our food goes out of basket, food basket. Without meat, tribals कैसे survive करेगा? Without meat, all शूद्रास कैसे survive करेगा? Without meat, क्या बिरकाय बेंडकाय पप कब आया? ये दाल गील कब आया Indian food basket में? Till Akbar kingdom came, our vegetable production was not even 2%. विलेजेस का कॉफी मीट पे जीते थे लोग, बर्ड्स पे जीते थे. सो यू वांट टू मेक इंडिया वेजिटेरियन, देन पाकिस्तान विल टीच यू. और गोरक्षण, देन आई रोट बफेलो नेशनलिज्म. नो, दिस कंट्री, द ओनली कंट्री वेयर द shepherds and Yadavs ancestrally domesticated an animal which no other persons in the world could domesticate, that is black buffalo. Americans could not domesticate buffalo. They killed all the buffalo. Today, अरे cow nationalist animal बोल रहे, वो अमेरिका में जाओ cow ही है, चाइना में जाओ cow है, तुम यूरोप में जाओ cow है. भैंस कहाँ है देखने के लिए? वहाँ यही है. So Delhi University must put a biggest buffalo at the gate. Hey, I'm not joking. This nation lives, this all gods. One day even Ganpati drank all the milk, but that was buffalo milk. Cow milk is not there. Secondly, if those who define cow as sacred and puja karna hai, prayer karna hai, I am saying you graze cows, you send your children not to English medium schools, to cow grazing. Remove its dung, wash its body, and then increase its species into millions. हर रोज वर्शिप करते ही बैठो. But today all cows are grazed by Sudras. We grow cows and you construct a theory for it. उसीलिए now he, me, she, we will construct a theory which animal is sacred. We are in Delhi gate at this today. We are constructing a theory. Buffalo is most sacred than all animals in India. उसको वर्शिप करना है. If you keep on saying cow sacred, एक दिन मैं आऊंगा, बफेलो को लाएंगे, यहाँ उसका पूजा करेंगे. हाँ, पूजा करेंगे, उसको पूजा करेंगे. बफेलो माता, don't give white milk, give only black milk from now on. ये क्या बात हो रहा है? ये नेशन कैसा देखो. हमारा जनरेशंस मीट एंड मिल्क इकोनॉमिक्स बोला मैं मेरा शेपर्ड्स को. दे बिल्ट इकोनॉमिक्स. वी मेड शीप, वी ब्रॉट आउट मीट एंड देन उसका कैसा कट करना, वो शीप वो ऊल को कैसा कट करना, कंबली कैसा बनाना, विंटर से कैसा प्रोटेक्ट. क्या विदाउट ए शेपर्ड कंबली डिड ए ब्राह्मण सर्वाइव इन दिस कंट्री इन द कोल्ड? Without a shepherd kambali, did a baniya survive in this cold? तुम कितना बड़ा इंडस्ट्री कर लो. When did your air condition come? We created air condition with kambali. Are we not scientists? Only this air condition you borrowed from Europe. Now once we become intellectuals, if Delhi University is captured by SC, ST, OBCs and women, if these two castes which are out of production, the day when they go to tilling the land, looking after sheep, goat, and then we will start importing everything importing from Europe and America. We will export. वो ताकत हमारे पास है. कितना इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को मैं रिकॉर्ड करा वो किताब में. एक चमार ने लेदर को, स्किन को लेदर करने के लिए 22 इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज करता है. उसका नाम रहता है, उसका साइंटिफिक एक्सप्लेनेशन रहता है. सिंपली बिकॉज यू डिड नॉट राइट इट. एमएन श्रीनिवास जाते सोशियोलॉजी लिखते, दलितवाड़ा नहीं जाते उन्हें. सो प्यूरा हमारा फूड उसको पोल्यूशन कहते. व्हाट एमएन श्रीनिवास इज टॉकिंग? प्योर फूड, पोल्यूशन फूड. क्या मीट पोल्यूशन है? So there is a song in my book on beef, in my autobiography. A Dalit boy sang. He said, beef is energy. And he started beef eaters, Gautam Buddha, Plato, Socrates, Einstein, and then all of them, beef eaters became greatest thinkers. That is the song he wrote. Now, okay, you don't want to eat. इसमें इन लोगों का आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या है? इंडिविजुअलिज्म नको, कलेक्टिव नेशनलिज्म, रिलीजियस नेशनलिज्म होना है. नो, आई एम सेइंग दिस नेशन स्टैंड्स फॉर इंडिविजुअलिज्म, नॉट फॉर योर कास्टिज्म. If you don't want to eat meat, you don't eat. That is your individual right. But if you make it a national issue, we will not keep quiet. Our food culture is much older than yours. Our roots are much older than yours. All your Vedic gods are much 1500 years younger than our Harappa who built the city. First city, 1500 years. So हरप्पा हमारा ताता है, गांधी ताता नहीं, हरप्पा है हमारा ताता, हमारा चाचा, वो whatever the grandfather we call. So friends, this is a long debate. Today they might succeed in some universities banning my books. They are entering through my books to Dalit word. Why Dalit word they are banning? Brahmins had one name, one language, Sanskrit, all over the country, communicate kar rahe the. Then they established their hegemony. Then Banyas came into that. Today, untouchables of variety of castes, only in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, 59 castes are there. But they got united under one word called Dalit across the nation. So, across the nation, Dalit one word से unit हुआ और उसको एक भगवान मिल गया. कौन है वो भगवान? अंबेडकर भगवान मिल गया. वो अंबेडकर भगवान ओरिजिनल भगवान को करेक्ट किया गौतम बुद्ध को, और कंचाइलैया आके गौतम बुद्ध को हरप्पा से कनेक्ट किया. ये हमारा. So you are afraid that one name is there across the country, only Brahmin को रहना, Brahmanya को रहना. Now I request all of you, the Shudras, our Dalit friends they are afraid of Dalits because they are unified. They have Ambedkar with solid. ये क्या बात बोल रहे हैं मुझे और आप लोगों को? Could have Mahatma Gandhi done a PhD in Columbia in economics? Was it possible for him? No, I have respect for Mahatma Gandhi, but he was a third class law degree man. I was also third class in BA, no problem. And could have Nehru done a PhD in economics? Economics was the greatest science at that time. There was no other science. उन्हें economics में first generation, after you wrote your Rigveda and called them Chandal, untouchable, not even created by God, this man has become the first PhD of the entire nation from greatest science. उसको यूनिवर्सिटीज में नहीं आने दिए इकोनॉमिक्स में. क्या प्रोफेसर्स बन गए आप लोग? आप एडम स्मिथ को स्टडी करें. अरे एडम स्मिथ का नेम कंचाइले शेपर्ड का नेम के जैसा स्मिथ है उसमें. आप समझे नहीं? उसमें स्मिथ है, फुलर है, और कई इंटेलेक्चुअल्स ऑफ यूरोप और शू मेकर्स, पॉटर्स. हैरी पॉटर बुक क्यों पढ़ रहे? पॉटर है उसमें. उसीलिए my request to you is, see, our parents, grandparents have produced food, produced wealth, built houses, all kinds of engineering for 5,000 years, even after 70 years of independence. From now onwards, we will come into universities, we will enter into the industry, we will enter into higher education. You have to go and till the land. अगर तुम नहीं जाते, you don't want to till, if fruit is not there, if we need to die, let us die. Let us see what happens. Whom are you threatening? If you were not there, we would live absolutely all right. But if we are not there, can you live? It's a very simple question. Either we must live together. Yes, I will read your great thinker's book, Golwalkar, 100 times. But why are you afraid of reading my book? Why are you afraid of? We will read. They must know that none has read all Vedas, Upanishads, Ramayana, Mahabharata more carefully than Ambedkar in this country. To build a critic, we have to read seriously. Praise करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. ये पेज से वो पेज देख सकते हैं. So I request, whether it is Geeta Bhatt or some other Hansraj Suman or friends, let us read together. Let us study books. You come. We are all human beings. We belong to this nation, but we are more older than you people in this nation. Let us. वो सुमन दलित भी है कहते. अरे आ जाओ भाई, अंबेडकर को मिलके पढ़ेंगे. बगैर पढ़ के क्या कर रहे तुम? You don't do that, because we were supposed to till the land, sweep the roads, yeah, all this for their cars. तुम हमारे साथ आ जाओ, वो लोगों से रोड क्लीन करवा देंगे, हम कार में बैठ के जाएंगे. क्या क्यों नहीं करना? अरे क्या नरेंद्र मोदी साहब का स्लोगन क्या है? स्वच्छ भारत। हम ही करना क्या फिर? आप नहीं करते? इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग, यू आर एंटी नेशनल। If you are not doing, and that is our Prime Minister's slogan, but you are party man, you are ideology man, fine, I will listen. Sweeping the road, Mahatma Gandhi did that, I appreciated him. Nehru never did, I did not appreciate. But Nehru wrote democratic socialism theory, I appreciate Nehru. The other day I said, here afterwards, till these forces are defeated, on all political parties there should be 3 symbols. 1, Ambedkar. 2, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 3, Karl Marx. एक ही बैनर पे रहना है। ग्लोबल सोशलिस्ट वेलफेयरिज्म का अब एक थियरी बनाएंगे। हम तेलंगाना में एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं। ली लॉल जिंदाबाद बोल के अब नारा निकल रहे जो। सो द पॉइंट इज, we are here to become intellectuals now. Our grandfathers, grandmothers have not studied. The day when a lowest जो चमार का औरत प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनेगा, that day we will be happy, we will sleep. वो कैसा रूल करेगा वो अलग की बात है। अरे क्या बात बोल रहे आप? हिंदू नारी बोलते, बट whom people are respecting. सारी ब्लाउज कल्चर एक है, लॉन्ग हेयर कल्चर है। मैं पोस्ट हिंदू इंडिया में एक बार्बर को इंटरव्यू किया। आई इंटरव्यूड अ बार्बर, आस्क्ड हिम व्हाई डिड यू डिस्कवर हेयर कटिंग एंड शेविंग साइंस? ही सेड यू डोंट नो? आई सेड जनरली प्रोफेसर्स डोंट नो इन इंडिया। देन ही सेड, सी, longer the hair, weaker the brain. Longer the hair, weaker the brain. Therefore, you have to either clean shave or cut short. Then my suddenly ये सही होता क्या? Why did Buddhist monks completely clean shave? Hindu sannyasis keep the long hair. Now, the Buddhist monks, even women were clean shaving. So long. Then I asked, how? He said, a very simple scientific process. He said, in your body, 2 organs grow from birth to death. One is air, the second one nail. So air अगर long होता है, the food that the brain needs to consume will go to the air's growth. Therefore, अगर short होता, नहीं होता, less consumption head पे होता. Then I appeal to all my Indian women to go for short hair or clean shaving. And then look at Mayawati. Why she is running a party against all odds? She never had a long hair. And she never wore a sari and blouse, never showed her off body anywhere. पीछे नीचे ये क्या होता है? You can't run with the dress. So मायावती का और इंदिरा गांधी short hair थी, मैं जब देखा. Now whom are you people loving? Masses. वोट कौन? Lowest masses कौन किसको वोट दे रहे? Long hair. अगर I have all respect for Sushma Swaraj. If she goes for asking votes, मायावती का वोट्स में 1% भी नहीं आएगा. Because Indian women love Mayawati because of her sturdiness, her Dalitness. So, Post-Hindu India is a book of science. Therefore, friends, whether you belong to this party or that party, this nation, after independence, has got unified, and this nation belongs to Shudras, Dalits and Adivasis first, next to others. next to others. We don't want to overthrow you. And we don't want, if intercaste marriages are saying, we are no. But we will not allow any intercaste marriage murder in this country. So it is the nationalist challenge. Their nationalism is different. अरे हमेशा वो छोटा पाकिस्तान से फोकस करके 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 चाइना उतना डेवलप हो गया, तुम सो गया. एक दिन एक अर्नब गोस्वामी बोल के एक है, आपको मालूम है ना? He calls me on the time, now he is not calling. I said I won't come. One day there was a decision by parliament members, OBC members, that there should be a reservation in private sector also. He called for a debate in Times Now. He said, he started with me. I'm starting with you, Kancha Ilaya. This night it must be settled. And I sun raha tha, no, this night. The whole nation is viewing, as if nation has no work except sitting in Times Now, that too in English. Then he said, you have destroyed the government sector by fighting for reservation. Now you want to destroy private sector. What will happen to merit? You want a nation without merit? 2 minutes, मारा. वो तेंदुलकर का वन डायमेंशनल मारना. मैं सिंपली बोला, हो गया तुम्हारा? हो गया. अरुणा, there is no merit with you at all. Then he said, why? Did your father, grandfather till the land any time? Merit is in tilling the land. Merit is in cutting the crop. You have discovered a merit in eating and cooking in many items. ये merit नहीं है. अगर SC BCs private sector में आएगा, today entire Indian industry cannot match one Chinese company called Alibaba. And if we become CEOs, if we become engineers, अलीबाबा को हमारा पाँव के पास लाएंगे 10 साल में. क्या समझ रहे हैं आप? So he said, no, you are accusing my caste. I said, I never said caste. I only said you never till the land. You never cut the calf. You never graze the buffalo. जाके buffalo को करो एक दिन, merit रहता वहाँ. So these people are full of in English medium channels. एक मैं मालूम कर रहा था, not even one Jat girl in any English TV channel, not even one Patel girl. अपर कास्ट से ये लोग, रेड्डी गर्ल, कम्मा गर्ल, और बीसी का छोड़ दो. See, the day will come, we will own the English, all channels, all English papers, our people will run. That is our challenge. So for that, the only challenge before us is make the government schools English medium. Abolish private English medium education, make government schools English medium. After 20 years, you see who will be in universities. That's a very simple technique. Now we have made it an election issue in Telangana that BL, Bahujan Left Front, will start English medium schools, convert all schools into English medium schools. And we said there will be a Bahujan Bhojan canteens in every village, 3 rupees breakfast, 5 rupees full lunch. And we said there will be a labor Bandhu Patakam. Once we come to power, within 1 year, all labor women and men will get 1 lakh loan. After 1 year, we will write it off. We have our technology. So therefore, friends, it is not my book's question. If they remove from syllabus, thousands and lakhs will read on the roads. And we should organize road reading. अब reading नहीं है यूनिवर्सिटी में, टीचिंग भी नहीं है ज़्यादा, वो रियल एस्टेट कर रहे हैं ज़्यादा प्रोफेसर्स. So we will start mass reading. We did that in Usmania. mass reading campaign. Today, no single non-reserved teacher in Usmania can say that Dalits, OBCs, tribals are less intellectual, because our people are 100 times great intellectuals than them. इसे challenge भी नहीं कर सकते. Or the moment they see me with all my books, show me how many books, independent books were written by professors, published by Sage and Pearson. एक generation illiteration का बच्चा था मैं. मेरा parents did not know what I was writing. They don't know what language, what in one generation, Telugu medium में educate करके I wrote all these books. 4 books in one university syllabus, you are afraid. But within next 20 years, एक बच्चा 10 English books लिखेंगे, वो world class books लिखेंगे. ये moment चलना है. I am very, very happy that you have taken it up, and it is good that it is happening in Delhi, in Delhi University, which is the biggest university of the country. I once again thank you for giving me this opportunity, listening me so patiently. Lastly, you know, in the back of this book, there is a quotation of mine. I'll just read out and close it. Caste is race in ancient times. Caste is race in ancient times. Race is caste in modern times. Race is caste in modern times. Untouchability is an Aryan construct. Untouchability is an Aryan construct. They said God has not created untouchables, but a God has been born from untouchables, that is Ambedkar. Thank you.